Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can add a texture animation with one click in Neodex for 3ds Max. So first I'm created a plane model here. This one, very easy. So, and what we're going to do next is we add a texture. In that case we can use BLP directly. We can drag and drop it onto our plane, which I added here. And the next thing I'm going to do is open up the material, select the material, so we can see it's a physical material, a standard material for 3ds Max. Now we open up the exporter, press fix all. This will change our material to a Warcraft material, what we need. And you can also take a look in the material fix settings, everything you can activate here. So will be activated if you press fix all, will be activated directly into the material you created. So we made sure we activated U and V tile. And the next thing what we're going to do, we go down to the flow animations. As you can see, it's set right now to not global. If we set it to global, you can see the start time vanishes. And what I like to do is I like to add a new animation. Let's call this one here stand. So stand ready, so like this. Then we're going to call the next one attack, and a last one spell slam. So okay, perfect. Let's make sure we have not a plane, better is a editable mesh. So like this. Now the model is set up that we can convert it to MDX. So the next thing what we're going to do is we take a look at the controller here. So we set it not to global. That means we have to select the animation. Let's take a look at the animation. Stand ready is from frame 10 to 30. So like this. And I like to create that it moves this way. Let's press on start of production. So generation completed, and as you can see, just for this animation here, it created a simple flow animation that way. Let's export it. So let's search for the right one. Yeah, this one here. So flow animation 1. So save, export, yes. Okay, it opens up here. We can take a look now at only the stand ready. Attack has nothing. And spell slam has nothing, just stand ready. So now we like to change it to, so let's go down. Let's change it that it moves forward and left at the same time. Let's press start production. As you can see, it does the same. Now this time we're going to activate global animation. So as you can see, the animation starts from 0 basically and goes to 30. If I press start the production, it will run now globally. In that case, let's export and take a look. Export, yes. So we have it exported. Open this one up. This is the forward one, and then that's the next one here. So as you can see, in all animations going that way. So we have also the possibility to create, instead of moving, let's create a rotating animation. So export it. So as you can see now, oh, sorry, I have to press start first. Start of production. So as you can see now, it starts to spin around. You could also add, if you want, moving forward and spinning around if you want. But in that case, I just make the spinning animation. Let's export it. So let's take a look. As you can see, it's globally spinning in all animation. So that's it for the tutorial. One click and you can create your own texture animation. The last thing what I want to say is you can change the controller type here to Hermite, for example. So it rotates in Hermite or in Bezier. I usually use linear because it works best, but it's up to your choice. So I hope you liked the tutorial. If you need anything, you can find here the latest version, also on GitHub. and the donation for if you want to support me and any future projects, and if you want to learn more about Neodex, just look at the YouTube channel, or if you're Chinese, look at the Bilibili channel. And if you want to join the community, feel free to join the Discord community. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.